Greetings, welcome back. Oh, we got another little package here. I've been carrying this guy for quite a while. Fifth pocket. Really enjoying this knife. Very cool. It's the Chaves tack. Tiny A knife. So, ever since I've had this, I've been wondering what the bigger one's like. Can you guess what's in here? Onto it. Don't want to dox myself. Something from Urban EDC. Okay. Another fancy box. See if I can do this one without ripping it apart. Well, looky here. What do we got? A Chaves. Very cool. Let's check it out. Okay, a nice big chunky knife. Got our little Sagai high wavy pattern. Feels good. Let's get a little close up on there. Kickstop. M390. Let's give it a first flick here. Oh yeah. Pretty sweet. Got a pretty nice stonewash blade. See how she closes. Oh yeah. This thing is pretty sweet. Good grippage. Yeah. Really good sized knife. I kind of like them a little bigger, but nothing wrong with this one. I can still grip this guy just fine. A little size comparison. Papa. Pretty cool. Pretty happy to get my hands on a full size one now. Should we do it? Let's see. Like about 8 1/8 inches overall. Blade's just under 3 3/4 inches. It's a nice big knife. Let's give it another couple flicks here. Yeah, fires right open. Little flipper tab disappears. Pretty cool. Let's see, very neat. There it is. Chaves Redencion Kickstop. And the drop point. Very cool. Nice knife. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing. See ya.